in the morning. It's now about 11 o'clock. We slept late. Just getting the getting this Volkswagen packed full of crap so we can head home. I think I about got it all in here. Yeah. Getting it all crammed in here, and then we're about to head back to Carolina del Norte. Jordan just got in it. Shut up, navigation woman.
Make a U-turn.
Shut up. Anyway, we just got into South Carolina, and we are going to buy fireworks. Illegal ones. Woohoo!
Illegal contraband.
This place is huge. Fireworks everywhere. Hey Jordan, what you buying?
Huh?
Holy crap.
Yeah.
It's all firecrackers.
Yeah, it's... How many is this? This is...
I have no idea. I think there's 100 per pack.
I want the ones that are all chained together.
Those are chained together. Oh, that's 1,000. Then that's got to be like a lot more than 1,000.
I don't know if I want to spend $30 on it though.
Oh, it's $30.
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. That's probably like 2,000-3,000 right there.
Right, it'd be like $15 for 2 of these.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
What do you think?
I think there's a lot more fireworks here than we have money to buy.
We're gonna do all these at one time.
Me and Jordan are walking out of what's this place called? Crazy Steve's?
Yeah.
Crazy Steve's fireworks with bags. What'd you buy, Jordan?
2,000.
Show the world what you bought.
I think we should put these in the trunk.
It might get hot in the trunk.
I don't know, man. What do you think?
Yeah, they'll be fine.
Heat won't set them off.
No.
Right?
But I bought bottle rockets, 2 packs of Roman candles, and Jordan bought over 2,000 firecrackers in a roll. So we're heading on to North Carolina now.
Yep.
Yeah.
Dude, look at that. The grass is all on fire.
And that's why you don't throw your cigarette butts out the window. Plus you get cancer from smoking.
Smoking's bad.
Smoking's bad for people, and it's bad for the grass.